Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the another episode of our contract practices series. In this video, we are going to learn about the components of a contract document. What are those documents which are required in a construction project to complete a standard contract document? So let's go to them one by one. The first one is the contract drawings. Second is the specifications. Third is the general conditions of contract. Fourth is the special conditions of contract. Fifth is the contract agreement. And sixth is the bill of quantities. So let's quickly go to them one by one and understand them in details. In case of contract drawings, there are different type of drawings like architectural drawings, structural drawings, site plans, MEP drawings, extra low voltage drawings called ELV drawings, or any other type of specialized drawings which are required according to the nature of the project. So these sort of drawings are handed over in a 2D plan format to the vendor in a blueprint. The soft copy of the drawings are also provided in CAD drawings to the vendor for their easy understanding and for convenience of work. And the list of the drawings should be there in the contract document. The second component of a contract document is the specifications. These are generally known as technical specifications, and these are the technical provisions which are mentioned in the contract. Technical provisions for material as well as for the workmanship of the work to be carried out. This generally consists of the quality of material, the quality of workmanship, the frequency and procedure of testing, approved manufacturer or the make list, the relevant Indian standard describing the materials, and the inspection and installation methods. The third important document forming a contract is the general conditions of contract. In general conditions of contract, there are various clauses and guidelines which governs the administration of a project. There are various different forms of contract which are prevalent in India like CPWD, MES, MOTH. Even for global platform, fluidic form of contract is widely acceptable. So in general condition of contract, it is called general because it is a standard document and it is not specific to any contract. It generally consists of responsibilities and obligations of parties to contract, scope and performance of contract, valuation and payment terms, labor laws, statutory requirements. There are also provisions for arbitrations, safety codes, standard forms, deeds, etc. The termination or the exit mechanism is also a part of the general conditions of contract. So let's move on to the another important document of a contract, that is the special conditions of contract. These are basically the amendments or additions or any changes from the general conditions of contract. Apart from this, there are various material advances for specialized equipments that are not generally covered in general conditions of contract and which is specific to that particular project and needs to be covered in the special conditions of contract. Apart from it, material provided by the owner, mobilization advance, equipment advance, these sort of clauses also differ from package to package. They needs to be covered under special conditions of contract. Return of advance, secured advance against material received at site, requirement of various documents, progress reports. These are also some of the conditions which generally changes with a particular package. The next component is the contract agreement. It is a documented agreement which mentions the name of the parties who are entering into the contract, like the name of the employer, name of the contractors, and the date on which the agreement is being made, the scope of work, the consideration or the price of the contract, total contract value of the contract. Next is commencement date and the completion dates. The documents enclosed in the contract are listed down in the article of agreement, and it should be duly signed by both the parties in presence of witness. The next important component is the bill of material, which is commonly known as BOQ. This generally consists of the total quantity of the material which is going to be used in that particular package. It also covers the rate as well as amount which is required to do that particular job. So this BOQ is used for claiming running account bills. It is also used for the settlement of the final bills. So this will also have the precedence in terms of the document if there is any sort of conflict between general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, or any other document which forms the part of a contract document. So this was all about the components of a contract document. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and best of luck.